my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV channel. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. All my Edo, I bring this news come from now. Today, I received some of now comments. I'm loyal, I'm humble. Those who they insulted themselves, now they insult to no be me, now they insult. I'm here, busy doing my job. You are there knocking head for war for no reason. You see, this one no be juju. This one no be juju. You guys should take it easy. Take it easy. Some of those content creators using fake account telling me should stick with Yambohanzi. Now Yambohanzi they buy you. And they want you. I say use your real face. If they they pay you, use your real face to fix me. If I look you, I want to answer, we answer. If I say look you, I say no, go. Tag me so that I will know say you mention my name on that video. Tag me, okay? My mouth not they're not they use anything to now to talk and chop. Now be this mouth, okay? Stop using anytime I talk about politics. I be Naija. Stop telling yourself to stick. Yeah, I be Naija pikin. My papa Nigeria, my mama Nigeria. From Onwa Edo. And therefore come. Respect yourself. Oh. You guys should respect yourself, okay? I bring any politics news. My hand reach. I bring it to this my channel. The world news I've seen, also, I will bring it to this my channel. You guys will not promote the good one. No. The waiting when our president just do now. The border when our president reopen again about Dubai. You know, now not see about G20 and G21. Now not they see all those one go bring free. Go package those, news or package jam, bring and come. Because when the good things they now no see me, I they bring the good or the bad. Anyone I see, say enter my, I will bring it here. My own intention is see my country progress, see my state good, better than they. My country, my state, see them they are good. So that people will stop jakpa, so that people will stop calavante, so that people will stop, selling their property or the name. I want to travel to another country where you don't even know anything about there. You don't even know the way they are living, they are doing, their culture. You don't know it. The little one you have, you want to sell it because you don't know tomorrow about Nigeria. Whether it will worse more than this, whether because Nigeria is not insurance. A rich man today can be a poor man tomorrow. Those are the things that really make some people to better sell their property to travel out of that country. If our country now is standard, I believe those things, they will add it. Those are the things I want my country to be and my state to be. Today, I bring Godwin Obaseki and Phillip Shaibu come this my table again today, my Edo people, my Nigerians. Our governor people vote for 4 + 4 must complete. Look what they do for our state. May una look, oh, they are not working. Changing office up and down. I bring the real video to Nana so that may una download that. May una work sha. May una not feel say Nigeria daughter the lie. My people, may una fair wash am before I will drop my own. We vote them for there, may they work for us. But they get there and they are fighting themselves. Changing each other office. Try to leave your fellow deputy or your fellow my people. One person say I don't like Edo governor. You were now you like her. You when you like her, I hear you. A like her. You like that as they just a mesebuso. You see you guys. You just like as your governor and the deputy just they mess themselves. Now let they did that country. Now let that your governor and your deputy. Now they did that country. When you say you don't like her. No. Now you like her pass. Carry the like. Me, I know where I work for. I know her. He come and say you want work for us. May work the work, may deliver. He talk say I don't like her. Now you like her. Carry the like. Chop and hold it well. Oh yeah, listen to. Let's wash. As I they play and I know now the washer. They don't talk put. They don't finally remove, deputy Shaibu, Phillip Shaibu, pack his things with Ghana must go to another office. Let's wash. So let me know it. You guys can be watching because they not talk. Let me continue talking, okay? This one I be the office when they put our deputy, Edo deputy now, when a governor remove him for office I think una see the road when they show just now. Now see erosion around. Those are not be problem to them. No, not to they fight their self. Not be problem. According to the everything when they say they go on, deputy hear story say they want impeach am. Then he summon he now take the governor to court, to Abuja court. Now the deputy don't remove am. My own point is, deputy, why do you withdraw the case again? The case when you by yourself, when somebody whisper your ear say they want impeach you, they want remove you, those things, then you summon am to court. Why you come withdraw the court case? I no understand. If you know say you don't have mind to embark on any journey, don't just start am. At the end you will come withdraw. No, start journey you can finish. Start a battle you can finish well, you can end well. Na wetin our prophet, my prophet TB, may so rest in peace. He said it's not to heal now. He said it's not for you to say you are healed, then that person heal. How can you maintain it? That is number one question we need to ask ourselves. It's not just to start something now. How can you finish it? This is big slap, mess, shame, insult, the way I see it. You have apologized. Edo governor refused. Now he move you because he did not trust you again. He remove you for his office. Wetin you really do? It's not a crime, but now greedy. Now they push you, now they do like that. Greedy. You be deputy. You want to be a governor. Because there is nobody in that country, in that state. Now only you want 90. Some of we, the Africa, Nigeria, the power that control us is too much sometimes. In fact, it pains me when those whole things is going on, nobody to come in and stop our governor. This insult is getting too much. For me, it's getting too much. You are not a God. No one is God. If man is God, I believe, maybe me why even dey here for not dey here again, because many people, thank God, human being no be God. Look at the way you are mixing your deputy. The way our governor is taking this whole issue is getting out of hand. Let's tell ourselves the truth. The office is clean, is good. Let's take one to comment. This one say Obaseki has really go no be me talking. Another person say, empty facing empty. I am not surprised. Wow. Okay, oh. Olori Buruku, okay. Olori Buruku, shame, okay. Where politicians everywhere in, okay. I don't know how they pronounce and finish insert part. This one say, oh, good for each other. This one say, Obaseki too will leave office. He would not expect his time, okay. He is feeling like the Almighty now. Okay, this person say, the same you, the Obaseki, you will not stay there forever. You just have few months to live there. But this time next year now, don't election don't take place. They don't sweep your leg out of the same office where you sweep your deputy. This person, this comment is correct. He said they feel like Odunga. They feel like you arrive. Remember, Nigeria is not like Cameroon. When president, he will rule and hand over it to his child. Child will rule and hand over it to his son. Son will rule and hand over it to his forefather. Nigeria is not like that. The moment your term finish, they will sweep your leg out also. But it's a big slap to deputy. This is a good example, a bit lexi to many of us who easily forget those who stand for us. Who easily, I know some people stand for us, they want to mix you up. There is a lot of people, but there is way we handle it. Many of us, we are too desperate. Look at what you become deputy. Look at the way, look at the mix, look at the end. I pray your politics career not by like this. I talk to my deputy. I pray, because in both sides, except God have something for you. You work well, you try to expose people, but our country, they are too strong. Once you try to expose them, you will be their enemy. They're supposed to make you as their friend, because you don't want kukru. You want genuine. No. You will be their worst enemy, because they want to enrich their pocket alone. The citizens, the innocent children, the innocent citizens of Nigeria, go they cry, go they beg, but their children go they enrich their pocket. They travel around the world. They throw away sand. No, water for the poor, for the citizens of Nigeria, our own money, they will use and intimidate us. My people, what you can't finish, don't just embark on it. That is my own on this video. Because Phillip Shaibu embarked on court. At the end, him by himself still withdraw the case. Also, him by himself still go back. And also, now him they say they want impeach. Now him they say they want remove for position. And Obaseki no know how he want to do one now. The thing they prepare am for, but if you come under my comment section say you don't like your God, why I go like Obaseki? It may work. He work. I like as a God pikin, but why with the other side? Waiting concern Obaseki. You know me, I know her. You know me. I people na go cack. Now vote finish. One now follow now governor say what they use that money to now they leak their caca, their shit. So I not like on my governor. No, now you like I carry the like chopper. I like him as a child of God. I love him as a body of Christ. The rest is no, I don't know her. I don't know her for anywhere. I don't dream to even know her. Obaseki when make a social media space, those social media space, cast once at a time. When they die, they say do. I beg we go cack for one place. What you can't finish, don't start it. The journey you can't finish, don't start it. This is a big slap. Next, Obaseki tried to make Shaibu up, but for me, the thing they pay Obaseki because enough for fee that he dream. The person we want put stay in pinch this he deputy enough coffee do and deputy run go somewhere for court. For me, for not withdraw that case, now for judge that case so that we the Nigerian citizens will really see what we the judge for. We the Edo citizen. My people, before I know if this guest start to talk, I like to talk. I go just talk because tomorrow na school, me I go do, me I put my children to bed. Now who did they like this video? Share to people. Tell a friend, okay? Drop your opinion, peaceful opinion. If you give me goto, you are giving yourself goto. We are inside the same. We dey inside. If I would dey France, my people, my family, they dey Nigeria. They pass the erosion and they pay me. They pass am. You dey the Nigeria. Now maybe you borrow data. Me I no borrow data. Now free data. If you dey Europe, you dey America. Your siblings, some of your family, if they die, they pass the poto.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, and I go feed the